Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering precise inputs. This is the foundation. Capture photos from corners and measure walls, doors, and ceiling height so the AI has accurate data. Once done, pick the right AI tool, image to plan for photos, LiDAR for phone scans, or a generator for quick schematics. Make sure to standardize units and set your scale, for example 1:50, before importing. These first steps reduce iteration and ensure the AI returns a usable to scale plan. Next, import your data into the AI workspace and review its auto-detection carefully. The model often misreads shadows as walls. You should correct wall lines, move nodes, and snap elements to the grid. This improves dimensional accuracy. Then set wall thickness and enforce orthogonal constraints for rectilinear rooms. This prevents skewed geometry. After that, label rooms and add furniture footprints so the plan reflects use. Export an editable vector file because you will likely iterate with CAD or layout software. To finish, validate the plan against on-site measurements and update any discrepancies. Accuracy matters for construction and permits. Once verified, organize layers, structure, fixtures, furniture, and annotations. Then export a PDF for clients and an editable DXF or SVG for contractors. If things go wrong, like mismatched scale or distorted walls, recalibrate using a known reference object or reprocess the images with corrected scale markers. Finally, document change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.